electronic limit motor and limit setting tool. Setup and operation. In this video, we'll show you how to connect the limit setting tool. Attach the wiring connectors. Here. Install your electronic limit motor into the shade, and finally set your shade's top and bottom limits. Step 1. Assemble and install shade. Slide the motor into the tube, making sure the parts line up correctly. Push it in until it's fully seated. Mount the motorized shade into the brackets and make sure both ends are securely locked in. Step 2. Connect the wires. Connect the motor cable and the limit setting tool cable. First, unlock the connector. Then connect each wire by matching the colors: red to red, black to black, white to white, and green to green. Make sure all connections are secure. Step 3. Power on and test the buttons. Press up to raise the shade. Then, press stop to stop the shade. Then press down to lower the shade and press stop to stop the shade again. Check that the shade moves in the correct direction when pressing up and down. If not, turn off power and check your connections. Step 4. Set the upper limit. To set the upper limit, raise the shade to the desired height by pressing the up button, then press stop. Now hold the P2 button and press the switch to the up position for 5 seconds. Please note that the time interval between pressing the buttons must not exceed half a second. Release the P2 button immediately when the shade jogs once. It will jog twice to confirm. Step 5. Set the lower limit. To set the lower limit, lower the shade to the desired height by pressing the down button, then press stop. Now hold the P2 button and press the switch to the down position for 5 seconds. Release the P2 button immediately when the shade jogs once. It will jog twice to confirm. Step 6. Test the limits. Test your setup. The shade should now stop automatically at both the top and bottom limits. To reset the motor to factory settings, make sure it's stopped between the upper and lower limits, not at either end. Press and hold the P2 button, then move the switch to either the up or down position and keep holding for about 10 seconds until the motor jogs. Release the P2 button immediately after the jog. The motor will move a short distance, confirming the reset is complete. Please note, the time between pressing the buttons must be less than half a second. Thanks for watching.